Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about conditional expression in Terraform. Okay, so why we need to use conditional expression and what kind of scenario where we can use conditional expression in our Terraform script. Okay, so we are going to see that. So suppose you have two environment, okay, dev and prod, but you want like a smaller instance for dev environment and you want larger instance for production environment. So in that case you can use conditional expression in your Terraform script. Okay, so whatever value you have defined according to the environment, that will get picked, okay, while executing the Terraform configuration file by your Terraform script. Okay, so conditional expression in Terraform allow you to choose between two values based on a condition. Okay, so suppose if you want to run allocate t2.micro for dev or t2.large for production, so in that case according to the whatever value you have defined for the specific environment, that will get picked. So how we can define it? So let's see what is the expression here. So as we can see, the syntax of a conditional expression is as follows. Okay, so first we have to define the condition, then we have to write what, and then after that true value and the false value. Okay, so if the condition is true, then the result is true value. If the condition is false, then the result is false value. Okay, so we are going to see some example as well. So let's see, jump to the VS Code here and let's start writing our script. Okay, so first I will write provider, that is AWS. Okay, and I will define region, that is US East -1. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to define one variable to use that variable in the conditional expression. Okay, so let me define the variable here, that is environment. Okay, so and the default value what we will give is production. Okay, so default value is the production. Okay, then after that we have to create our resource. So resource, we are going to create AWS EC2 instance, AWS underscore instance. Okay, name whatever name you want, like web, and then after that we have to define our AMI. I am going to pick some random things here for AMI. Okay, just to showcase you how we can use conditional expression. I am not going to create any EC2 instance in the real time. Okay, so just I wanted to show you. Okay, so then after that we have to define our instance type. Okay, so here we have to use our conditional expression. So instance type is var.environment, okay, is equal to what is our true value, that is production, right? So double quotes, then write production, and then after that here our false value. Okay, so okay, so here we have to define our production, that we are comparing this is the condition, then after that what. Okay, and then after that we have to define our true value, that is t2 dot large. If our environment is production, then we want to launch t2 dot large instance, and if our environment is not production, okay, then we want to launch t2 dot medium. Okay, so we want to launch t2 dot medium. Let's save this. Okay, let's save this and open the terminal here. So this is our condition, like if our if we have environment like production, then we are going to launch t2 dot large, because this condition will become true, and if this environment is not production, then this false value get applied. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you. So let's run Terraform Init to see the plan. So it's taking a bit more time, so let's wait for a few more seconds. Okay, yeah, so it's done. Now let's run Terraform plan. So initialize init we have run, and now plan is running. It will take some time because we are running our plan for the first time, that's why it will take little bit more time. Okay, so once you have run the plan, and if you are modify anything, then it will take less time. So let it run, then I will show you what EC2 instance type it's considering here, okay, for our use case. So it's done. So let's go to the EC2 instance type. As we can see here that EC2 instance type is t2 dot large, because our condition is true, right? So suppose if I remove here to dev, let's save this file. Okay, again run Terraform plan to see what EC2 instance type it will consider. So let's go to the EC2 instance type. As we can see here, the EC2 instance type is t2 dot medium, right? So how we can define another variable, and how we can use that variable in this condition? So suppose if I want to define my region as a variable, and I want to use that variable region in this condition. So let's see that how we can do it. So first we have to write variable, then what we have to write? Variable name, that is region. Okay, and then after that default value, that is US East -1. Okay, so let's save this, and now here we have to use this variable in our condition. So we are using multiple values in our condition, so we have to use and symbol. Okay, then we have to use the variable var dot region, then we have to use equal to. Okay, and what is the region that we want? US East -1. Okay, so that's it. We have defined our multiple variable in the condition. Okay, so now let's run Terraform plan again. It will still consider t2 dot medium only, because we have defined the environment here, that is dev only. Okay, so it will consider t2 dot medium only. So let's see, let's wait for a few more seconds to plan get executed. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, it's done. Okay, So let's go to the EC2 instance type, and as we can see, it's considering t2.medium only because we have defined the environment here as dev, right? So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, then do let me know in the comment section. I will help you on that. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.